Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows cannot print due to a problem with the current printer setup Microsoft Word error. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT, click and expand current version. Right-click Windows, click Permission. Select all application packages, check Full Control, click Apply, click OK. Right-click Windows, click Permission. Click Add, click Everyone, click Check Names. Check Allow All, click Apply, click OK. Type Services in WinNow search bar, click Services. Open Print Spooler service, stop the service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.